everyone. I hope you all want to learn this language and you are very impatient. So please be patient and listen this video till the very end so that you can get some knowledge how you can become professional speaker within months. Yeah, when I say this, I feel you all have a doubt how you can become proficient speaker within months. Yes, you can become, but here you need to be persistent, not only consistent, because consistency can be hindered, but when you try to become persistent, you will definitely achieve your goals. So I want to say, if you are really passionate by English language, so please start from today onwards, because if you take time, you will not be able to learn this language. It will take time, and if you give too much time in thinking, so I think it will be very difficult for you. So please don't think too much. Start speaking for the very first day, and don't think about grammatical errors, because grammatical errors cannot be mitigated in in a few months. First you need to speak this language, whether you speak right or wrong, because we should make our mind habitual. We need to think about English. How you can think about English? When you start speaking, you can see after speaking 1 month you are able to think in English. I'm not telling you that you can think 100% grammatical correct. No, the way you speak, the way you think. Like if you can speak 50% right, you can think 50% right. But gradually, when you start speaking better than earlier, you can think better than earlier. But I feel grammar portion is not very important when you are in your beginning time. In beginning time, you need to speak whatever comes in your mind. As I am speaking, I am sure I am making lots of grammatical error, but here I just try to become fluent in this language. And if you think, I think it would be very challenging for you to speak English in English. So don't waste your time for thinking. I think many people say if you want to become proficient speaker, you need to think before speaking. But I feel no. As soon as you started thinking, you may lose your fluency, you may lose your concept. So for clearing your concept, you need to speak fluently, and don't take time, because English is something that we can learn if we try. It's not that much easy, like a difficult, but yeah, it's not that much easy. It takes your lots of time, efforts. So please try to speak. And if you want to learn this language, please stay consistent with my videos. I think it will help you how you can mitigate your fear, how you can become proficient speaker, and how you can get fluency within 1 month. Because I have reached this level because of my practice. So you can also learn lots of things if you are consistent, and consistency doesn't come overnight. It will take lots of times, and there, like if you want to learn this language, confidence also plays a crucial role. So if you want to become confident, then do practice relentlessly. I hope it would be little challenging in your initial time, but over time you will become more confident. So please like, subscribe and share my videos. I hope this will help you to reach in your goal. Bye bye.